Hello, fourth graders. Today, you are going to do a skill practice on understanding complex feelings. We practice to get better, to build connections in our brain, and to make skills permanent. That's why these exercises are very important for you. I want you to read each scenario and then write 2 different feelings for each scenario. Think that yesterday we were talking about how Emma was having 2 different feelings, being excited about the new dance that she was practicing with her friend, but also she was concerned about her friend, worried about her friend. So you're going to come up with 2 different feelings that the character is going to feel in these situations, and write the possible reactions for those complicated. I am going to make an example. So I made up a different question for this example. It says, Polly finds out she got the part she wanted in the school play. Her best friend also auditioned, but she didn't get the part. Polly is feeling, so what is one of the options for Polly? I would think, maybe Polly is going to be feeling excited, happy, because she wanted the part in the play to begin with. No, I have to remember my periods. Okay, but there is another option too. There is another feeling, and maybe I think that she's going to feel a little bit sad or concerned. I'm going to put concerned. She also feels concerned about her friend's feelings. Because she didn't get the part. Okay, I'm going to change just then. Sometimes it helps the teacher to change when you guys change the font or for your answers, or you can just change the color too, so that blind teachers like Señora Cortez will know where the answers are. Okay, you don't need to do this, but you do need to then figure out different type of feelings and the reason why the person is feeling that way. Bueno, I'll leave you to work. Bye.